Okay, hello fellow creatives. Today I'm going to be making some gloves. First off, I'm going to show you the fabric. This is an adorable skirt. Rest in peace, Gypsy Warrior. But I stopped wearing it because, as you can see, it gathers hella cat hair. Plus it hiked up real slutty like, so it's gonna be like this. So my hand will be like this, and then here on my, what is this, wrist, my forearm, will be these pretty fringy, lacy things. So that will be the outside fabric, and then in the inside, I'm going to use this cashmere sweater that I've had for years. It doesn't fit because it's super short. This is gonna be that lining, and I've never made gloves before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Of course, fabric scissors, and then I have a spool of thread. Anyway, ooh, and look at my Halloween nails. They're pretty shitty right now, but they look like sparkly lava rock. And I'm into it. And then I gotta fill my bobbin. Oh, and then I also have this here. This is like the backing to the heat press vinyl that I use. So I'm gonna use this to get all the cat hair off. First step, I need to trace my hands. This is such a simple thing, but I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. Okay, I'm about done with that. Maybe about there? I don't know, that seems a little obnoxiously long. This fabric is too cool to mess it up. Well, that doesn't fucking show up. I got to thinking maybe I could just use this paper and place it and make a template. That still doesn't help the fact that I can't mark on the fabric then after I have a template. Again, how to get this marker, this pencil to, where to go? Oh, metallic Sharpie work. Now as I trace this, I'm not going to cut out where I'm tracing. I'm probably gonna go out like 1/8 of an inch away, which therefore I'm not sure what's gonna happen up in here. Ah, yes, that looks good. That'll do. Okay. Oh, so yeah, when I use, because then now they'll be the same size, because if I were to trace my hands, I mean, yeah, they're technically the same size, but there is more room for error. Ah, shit, I didn't pay attention to the placement of where this was at. I'm only gonna be like only one of these is gonna be on the gloves. It'll just be like a little I mean, that'll look cool, I guess, but it's not fucking centered, so. And then on the other, oh my God, I'm gonna cut into the fucking, no, I can just, here, I'll just adjust it like that. Boom. We'll just scoot it over. There. That will work much better. It's incredible. This is actually working. The Sharpie, that is. Project, I don't know. And if it's not, then I will have learned how not to sew a pair of gloves. No happy accidents. That's what Bob always says. Wait, no. Wait, what did I say? No, there's no mistakes. Just happy accidents. Oh, Bob Ross. You son of a bitch. Oh, look at that. Looks like we're... now I should put this skirt on and it'll look like hands on my ass cheeks. It'd be great. Except it's inside out. Ooh, now I can use a black Sharpie. I'm so smart. Oh God. Ooh, the camera's overheating. Ooh. So next I'm going to cut everything out with great precision and fear. One. Are you shitting me? I just had a whole thing. I just had a whole spiel and it wasn't even recording. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Here, we'll just, here's the second one. Do I have to go one layer at a time for real? Absurd. Absurd. All right, now we're off. So I'm cutting the whole thing out. from the big piece, and then I'm going back in and cutting the deets. Woo! Okay, look at that. So I have the linings of both. Okay, now this is where I have to actually like think. I don't want the inside to show, so I think I need to do that. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. I didn't realize that. Like the edge of the lace is that to look nice. So maybe I should do a stitch just along the top here. Oh shit! No! Stay together. Oh dear, I hope these turn out. I know I'm not very confident. It's a lot of layers that I have to keep together. A little sliceroo. Okay, I'm being a little lazy. I have a bobbin of white thread and I'm just gonna use that. I think I just got icing in my hair. Why is my hand sticky? Okay. I'm just gonna do a little test. Make sure I threaded everything correctly. Oh, this fabric is going to give me problems. Oh, I will be so disappointed if these don't turn out. Where's the thread at? Oh, for God's sakes. Now they're stuck together. The camera's overheating again. Dude, it's... Oh, look. I can't raise the freaking needle and this is caught. Ugh. Look at this. This has never happened to me, ever. But this keeps happening. If anyone knows why that happens there at the beginning, I would love to know. Shit. Which one goes with which? Oh man, the only thing is I don't know how to keep these layers together when I'm sewing, because they're all jank. They're just jank as hell. Oh, it's gonna be way too thick. Oh. No. My cats are laying in my papasan licking each other. Incest. None of them are the same size. Oh, this went so well in my head, you know? That'll be fine, right? So I'm not even gonna sew right here, because I got to thinking, how am I gonna get my freaking fist through there? No, it's not gonna fucking stretch because I put a thread. Ooh. I have 2 fingers and 1 side sewn, and look how like wrinkly it is. I just want to flip it over now, but I need to finish these other 2 fingers, but they're taking so long. Effed that up. Actually, I could just take that stitch out, but holy shit. This is taking forever and it looks like shit. here it is. It's like little octopus fingers. I just realized this is gonna be really hard to pull inside out. Here it goes. Oh God. How? Son of a bitch. Oh, that didn't work. Look. This is so thoroughly disappointing. It's the thumb!
What up?
Might as well turn my sewing machine off because this was disappointing. Oh, lovely. Yep. Okay. Damn it, I wasted this fabric. Shit. I can't get the Sharpie out. Oh. So sad. And this has been another dysfunctional DIY. I mean, I mean, there's no point even like going any further than this, you know?